In this video, I'm going to show you how I tackle these skin issues while using Retin-A, and maybe that will help you during your process of using Retin-A. Hey guys, thank you for being with me today. I really wanted to get a really quick video up for you guys because this morning I woke up and my skin was dry and flaking and peeling, and I really wanted to show you guys what really goes on when you use Retin-A. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, I really encourage you guys to subscribe. I do a lot of skincare. I do fashion, beauty, hair. I do everything across the board. So consider subscribing and coming on this journey with me. Now, as I go along, I will definitely be giving you guys more information on Retin-A, but for today, I really just want to keep it short and concise. I just want to show you what you need to look out for when you start your Retin-A and let you know what stage of Retin-A I'm in and what stage my skin is in this process. So let's get into it. I really can't believe I'm showing you guys my skin like this, but what people don't realize is that when you're using Retin-A, your skin actually looks worse and older and more dry and flaky than the actual desired plump, smooth, hydrated, youthful complexion you're actually going for. When I start to notice that my skin is flaking, even after I've applied my serum and my moisturizer, this is what I will notice. I'll just start to notice a little bit of flaking. I don't know if you can see it here. And then I'll take the towel and do see, I already started on this side, so you can see that it's all the skin is starting to, I guess, shed and come off. And this side, you saw just a little bit. As soon as I take the dry, clean towel, you start to see all of that skin coming off. And this helps to just, and it's always around here because this is the area that I work on the most, because I feel like this is the area that a lot of girls, as they get older, start to get fillers and stuff, and I want to avoid doing that when I get older and getting, like, there's nothing wrong with fillers, and I'm sure I will use them, but I just don't want to plump up my face like crazy. It's not really the look that I'm going for. So I want to try and prevent that as much as I possibly can. And so what I do is I will try and exfoliate it dry. And by the way, I already did exfoliate this morning in the shower. So I gently do that, and it does tend to make my skin a little more red. I do try and keep it as gentle as possible. I just really want to gently get that skin off. Okay, so you see it's starting to come off, and I just try and get it off as softly and gently as I can now. After I kind of get rid of the majority of the flaking, there's obviously still some, flaking that's happening. So what I do is I go in again with this, okay? This is literally liquid gold. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, you definitely should. I talk about skincare all the time because on Instagram, often I'm, doing my stories as I get ready in the morning and as I get ready at night with my makeup routine and stuff like that. So if you do follow me on Instagram, you've seen me talk about this product and call it liquid gold. I really think it's awesome. This is Advanced Night Repair by Estee Lauder, but I use it at all hours of the day when I need to use it. I absolutely love it. I really trust this product, and I really think it puts the hydration back into my skin, especially when I'm using Retin-A. This is my savior. You have to expect that if you're going to commit to Retin-A, this is going to happen to your skin. I am doing it 2 to 3 times a week, and as a result, this is what's happening to my skin. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just put some of this in the middle of my palm. I rub it together, and then I, like this. Always in an upward motion when I'm around my neck. And I'll pat the remainder around the rest of my face, but the the real attention needs to go here. Again, this is my second application of this oil for the day. So, you know, I don't need to drench my face. I really just need to target that dry zone, that flaking zone. And, you know, it's actually a gratifying feeling because it makes me know that the Retin-A is working, and this is real, like, cell renewal, and all that fresh skin is coming out. Look how much better that looks. Look at my skin now. You know, moments ago you saw it really flaking and drying off. That oil instantly put that moisture back into my skin. And I mean, I think oils in general are really great for rehydrating and getting that moisture back into your skin. Sometimes what I'll do is after the oil sets in for about half an hour to an hour, if I'm home and I have the time, I will then apply a moisturizer. And if I'm going outside, absolutely, I will put a moisturizer with an SPF right on top of that. There you go. So I'm assuming if you've come to watch this video, you know a little bit already about Retin-A, but I'll just, you know, refresh you on the basics. Retin-A is a strong medicinal form of vitamin A that helps restore and renew your skin. It is cell renewal. It creates thicker skin, and thicker skin is harder to wrinkle. So it's really good for anti-aging and prevention and all. And you know, if you already have those wrinkles and fine lines, it's really great to help stop that process and even reverse that process. When using Retin-A, you should always be cautious of the sun. I mean, regardless, you should be cautious of the sun, but especially while using Retin-A, you have to be diligent about your SPF and apply it several times throughout the day. You really do not want those sun rays to penetrate through your skin when you're using Retin-A. Your skin is more vulnerable to the sun, it is more sensitive to the sun, and it can actually cause more damage to your skin while you're using the Retin-A. Now, I just really wanted to make a quick video for you guys and show you what really happens to your skin while you're using Retin-A. Right now, I'm using Retin-A 2 to 3 times a week, and I'm using 0.04. But I did not start on 0.04, I started on 0.025, and I started with that once a week. From there I moved up to twice a week, then I moved up to 0.04 once a week, and then twice a week, and now I'm starting to get into 2 to 3 times a week. I will keep you guys posted as I go further along in this process, but this is where I'm at in my stage of Retin-A, and this is what's going on with my skin. So this is what you gotta be prepared for if you're ready to commit to using Retin-A. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, if this video was helpful for you, if you learned anything at all, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see more of. Coming up this week, I'm going to show you my morning skincare process, including all the products I'm using and what I do to keep my face fresh and hydrated and healthy. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. I cannot wait to see you. Until next time, bye for now.